Hi, everyone. Today we are going to be finishing Chapter 8 by preparing a post closing trial balance. So, today our objective is to prepare a post closing trial balance. If you look at the general ledger after closing entries are complete, you can see all of our permanent accounts that still have balances: cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance, accounts payables, and capital. However, our temporary accounts are now closed. Drawing was moved to capital. Income summary moved to capital. You'll notice the amount of income summary was whether or not we had a net income or net loss. So what's sitting in income summary is net income or net loss, and then we close that to capital. Sales closed, zero balance. Advertising expense, cash shortened over. All of our other expenses: communications expense, rental expense, insurance expense, miscellaneous expenses, supplies expense, they all have zero balances. So after we've closed out all of our accounts, what we're going to do is prepare a post-closing trial balance. This is a trial balance similar to what we did in the first two columns of the worksheet, except the only accounts that are going to be there are going to be the permanent accounts that still have balances. So in order to do a post-closing trial balance, we're going to put the heading, so the name of the company, post-closing trial balance, and the last day of the month. We're going to list all of our permanent account titles, all of the account balances from the general ledger, and then we're going to rule the single line, compare the totals, make sure our debits equal the credits, and then we are going to record the totals and double rule. Now, after we've completed the post-closing trial balance, we've completed what's called the accounting cycle. So the series of accounting activities included in recording financial information for a fiscal period. So this is a look at what the accounting cycle will look like. It's everything that we've learned up until this point. So everything that we've learned up until this point are the accounting activities that you would do as a bookkeeper for a service business organized as a sole proprietorship. So you could actually manage the books, or be the bookkeeper for one of those types of companies. So to review all of the steps that we've taken so far, we analyze our transactions with the source documents, then we journalize them in the general journal and post them into the general ledger. We do that throughout the month on a daily basis. Then at the end of the month, we prepare our worksheet in order to adjust any accounts that we need to. We'll then journalize and post our adjusting entries. We'll prepare our financial statements like the income statement and the balance sheet. Then we'll journalize and post our closing entries, and then we will prepare the post-closing trial balance. After you've completed all of those activities, you have completed the accounting cycle, again for a service business organized as a proprietorship, and you would start over again the next month.